Welcome to the Fit Kids Cat and the Hat workout. For more great movement videos, subscribe to Fit Kids. They've got a lot of good stuff. All right, friends, let's get ready. We're going to work out today. We're going to be doing 6 fun exercise moves. It's fun to have fun. Jumping jacks, born to run, don't jump on the couch, top of the sky, and fish out of water. Let's get started with It's Fun to Have Fun. This move is simple. Just put your arms up in the air and jump back and forth. Are you ready? Let's go. There you go. Back and forth, arms in the air. Keep going. 15 more seconds. It's fun to have fun. Keep moving. Great job, you did it. We'll take a little rest and we're going to get ready for the next one. Up next, Thing 1, jumping jacks. Let's go. Here we go. 30 seconds of jumping jacks. You can do it. In and out, together, out. Woo! Great job. We're halfway there. Keep doing your Thing 1 jumping jacks. All right. Awesome job. Let's rest for 10 seconds and get ready for our next one. Up next, Born to Run. We're just gonna run in place as fast as we can for 30 seconds. Ready, go. Great running, friends. Okay, catch your breath. Take a little rest because we're going to really keep working that cardio. We're going to do don't jump on the couch. So just jump up and down where you are. Let's get that heart rate up. Woo! Let's do it. Keep jumping. Working that heart. Getting in our cardio today. Halfway there. Keep jumping. You got it. Ooh, prepare to rest. This is quite the cardio workout. Good for our heart and lungs. All right. Great job. Now that we got our heart rate up, get ready for the super jumper. Top of the sky. Now we're jumping straight up and down. Try to make your head hit the ceiling. Let's go. Up, up, top of the sky. Really getting that heart rate up today and keeping it up. Halfway there. Keep going. See if you can get your head to touch the sky. Almost there. Great job. Okay, let's take a little rest and get ready for the next one. That was very impressive. In 5 seconds, we're going to do the fish out of water. So get ready, fish. Lay on your back. Here we go. Legs up. Really working those abdominal muscles. Great job. You fish out of water. Try to keep going. We're halfway there. On your back. Legs up. Way to go. Great job, everyone. We did it. The Cat in the Hat workout. That was fun. Check out more videos on the Fit Kids website. Great job today.